Okay, so in this video we will first try a cover for the Onyx Boox Palma. This is a 2-in-1 case, a flip cover and a case for the Onyx Boox Palma with MagSafe support. And this case comes from the brand MITER, and you will find links down below in the description text where to buy it. And we will also see if this case works on my Bigme B751C, but I don't think so. But we will try, because this case is for the Onyx Boox Go Color 7 and also Onyx Page and Onyx Leaf. And it's also a detachable case with a kickstand if you want. So we will see if that works on this 7-inch, but I don't think so, but we will try. But that will be in the last of the video. Let's start with a case that I know works on my Onyx Boox Palma. Really nice material on it, feels very texturized. Nice. Here we have some plastic, and here we have the detachable cover with a magnetic ring to have for magnetic MagSafe accessories. And you also see a magnetic MagSafe ring here. Quite nice. This feels very plastic though, but let's see. I already have a MagSafe ring attached on this Onyx Boox Palma because I love using a pop socket, for example, on my portable e-readers. But we will see if it works with that already attached. So let's start by the inner cover, the case first, like so. Looks nice on the back. As you see. The front though is I have never liked when covers go too much over the edge here, so you can feel it on the sides here, because that makes swiping not as good on devices. So that is something I don't like with covers, but we will see how good this will work. As you see here, we have the programmable button, we have the power button, we have the volume buttons. And here we have for a strap if you want. That's nice. And we have for USB-C charging and data. We have for the speaker and microphone. And at the top we have, I guess, for a microphone of some kind. So that's the cover, the inner cover case. Now we attach it to the MagSafe case, flip case, like so. As you see, we have the MITER brand there. Feels very nice actually. Feels like holding a book in your hand, or maybe a wallet case for mobile phones. It works. And it will definitely protect it when dropping it and so on. The magnet is not as strong as I thought it should be. but probably enough. Let's see how good the buttons works and so on. We have the programmable button here. We can turn that off, and we can turn, yes, that button works quite nice. And the volume buttons works too, and the power button works, as you saw there. So the buttons works. Let's see how good the swiping works, because I don't think it will work so good. But here we have Storytel, my Storytel account for streaming ebooks and also audiobooks, but I don't use audiobooks. So when it comes to Storytel, they don't have any support for buttons, so you can turn pages with buttons, unfortunately, on any Android device or even not on the iPhone. So you need to use clicking or swiping. So if I hold this device now and do the swiping, you see this edge here makes it harder to swipe, but it works, but not as good as without it. But it works, and it protects the Onyx Boox Palma when it's on this, with the display on the concrete, for example. When you're dropping it, it will protect it quite good. So the swiping could be a bit problematic maybe. Let's see if it works with my pop socket. Yes, it definitely works with the pop socket. And Storytel is one of the reasons why I always use a pop socket on my devices, and that is because that makes it very easy to swipe and even click on the side here to go forward in the book. And you can also swipe quite easily. Another great thing with having a pop socket is that you can have the finger like so and clicking down here, for example, in co-reader. So in co-reader you can set that the page flipping should be which zones you want to have the page flipping. So if I have the zones at the bottom for page flipping, I can easily hold this device like this using the pop socket with the finger like so and click to go forward one page at a time, as you see. Works great. I love that with a pop socket on the back. That's why it's important for me to have a pop socket, so I can use this case to protect my Onyx Boox Palma when I'm out and about. And I can still use my favorite pop socket with the MagSafe ring on the back side quite easily, as you see. And still use swiping and clicking quite good in Storytel. As you see, I can swipe quite good even with this edge. It works. I need just to be used to use it like that. So all in all, this case works quite great. I'm happy with it. So the power button works too. It's a bit quirky, as you heard here, but we will see if I can get that better later on. Well, that's the I drop it almost, but that's the Onyx Boox Palma case from MITER. Go find the links down below in the description text where to buy it. Now we should see if this 2-in-1 case for the Onyx Boox Go Color and Page and Leaf works on this. but sadly I don't think so, and I don't have any of these devices. Maybe I will buy one someday to have this cover for it. We will see. Looks really nice, you see the MITER logo and the MITER band like this. Quite nice. Nice. Love the design. Here we have the MITER case. Nice. Let's see here. Is that something I should remove, or is it? It should be there. Okay, it should be there to protect it and so on. But we have some holes for different openings on the devices, as you see. Almost for the power button, as you see there. Didn't quite do it. And almost for the charging and the speaker too. It's the power button that makes it not fit this, unfortunately. Maybe I can fix that later on by doing an opening for it. In this case, if we try no, it will not work. So we need to have we need to fix the power button hole to use this cover. Unfortunate for this device, but otherwise it still works, I think. We can use it if I do fix that opening for the power button. As you see, it's not good. It tries to turn it off all the time, unfortunately. But let's see the cover itself. I don't know how to use it really. We'll see how to use it. Maybe like this. You should use it like this and have it like so to have a stand, for example. As you see, that works in different angles. Actually, and if I need to carry it and protect it, I just do this. Quite nice stand, 2-in-1 case actually. So if I can fix the power button hole for the device there, then I could actually use this for the Bigme B751C, I think. And I can use it like a stand, like so, when reading, for example. That will be great together with my page clicker I did a video about yesterday. Because then I can have this and read on it with the page clicker. Nice. Let's see if we can do something other different with the stand. No, I think that's it. The magnets on this case looks like it's on the top of it. If I turn it the other way around, yes, you have magnets there too. So you can use it like this. In that end too, if you want. Quite nice case, I love this. So the MITER case looks good. You can't charge it. You can charge it almost, as you see here. You can't charge it maybe, but I can fix that too with a knife or something. The speaker seems to work, and the power button, this SD card tray is protected. Well, I think I can use this. It will work by just having this fixed. Nice. And you can also use it like this. It looks quite nice. So you can have it like this if you don't need this stand cover. You can use this like this if you want and feel protected. So that works too. Quite nice. So go check the links down below where to buy this. It's from MITER and you can buy it on Amazon. Exactly as you can do with this. So I think you should use this with it on too, to have it correctly when you're carrying it, like so. Looks nice. That is how you should protect it completely. Looks nice. I love it. Okay, bye.